Hello students, I am Archana Santosh Tiwari, your computer teacher of LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay, today I am going to explain you chapter 2 computer devices. Today we are going to learn about the chapter 2 computer devices. In this chapter, see here we have to learn about 4 things. That is, first is what? Input devices, and second processing devices, and third output devices, and fourth is storage devices. Okay, we have to learn these 4 things. Today I will explain you 2 topics from this one, input devices and process devices. Okay, see here, input devices are the devices or the part of a computer through which data and instructions are entered into a computer. Input and output devices are also known as computer peripherals. Computer peripherals. Input devices are what devices? Whatever the data and instructions given by the user to the computer is known as input devices. For example, I am giving you, suppose you are sitting on a computer and whatever data and instructions you are giving to a computer or you are inserting in a computer, that is known as input device. Input device is also known as the computer peripherals. It is also known as the computer peripherals. Some of the commonly used input devices are, there are some common input devices, I will tell you about that. That is what, see here in first one, that is input devices. In these, some of the input devices are there. That is, first is what? Keyboard. First is keyboard. See here, input devices, that is A Keyboard. It is keyboard. And B, next is what? Mouse, mouse. Okay, and third, that is microphone. 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 Clear? See, first is what? Keyboard. The input devices are mouse and microphone. Okay. It is also one thing or more is there, that is scanner. So that is scanner. Okay. Keyboard, mouse, microphone and scanner. See here. What is keyboard? A keyboard is the most commonly used input devices. What is keyboard? A keyboard is the most commonly used input devices. It lets the user enter data and instructions into a computer. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. See here, a keyboard is the most commonly used input devices. A user can use, with the help of keyboard, a user can enter data and instructions in the computer. And the standard keyboard has 104 keys. How many keys? A standard keyboard has 104 keys. 104 keys. Next is, come here. See, next is mouse. Next is mouse. A mouse. What is mouse? What is mouse? Do you know? A mouse is also known as a pointing devices. It is also, mouse is also known as a pointing devices. It controls the movements of the pointer on the monitor. Whenever we are using the mouse, it helps to control the movements of the pointers on the monitor. Movements of the pointer on the monitor. Who control? A mouse controls the movement of the pointers on the monitor. Each has 2 buttons. A mouse has 2 buttons. How many buttons a mouse has? A mouse has 2 buttons. Which are they? Left and right. Left and, see here, if this is I am telling you this is a mouse, it has 2 buttons, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. One is left and one is right. Left and right. It has 2 buttons, left and right, and there is a scroll bar between in that there is a scroll wheel in the middle of them. Middle के center से in the mouse के we have a scroll wheel. We have a scroll wheel, and beside scroll wheel we have two buttons, that is left and right button. And between left and right buttons we have the scroll wheel. We have a scroll wheel in the middle of the two buttons. Clear? Next is there are two types of computer mouses. We have two types of computer mouses. Two types of computer mouses, that is ball mouse and optical mouse. Two types means that is, here we have two types of mouses, that is ball mouse and optical mouse. We have ball mouse and we have ball mouse and optical mouse. See, first is that is ball mouse. Ball. What is ball mouse? Ball mouse used a ball for the movement of the mouse pointer. Ball mouse used a ball for the movement of a mouse pointer. It used for the movement of the mouse pointer. It is also present under it. And next is what? That is optical mouse. That is optical mouse used a lead light for the movement of the mouse pointer. It is used for LED light. It is used for what? LED light. It is used as LED light. Okay. It is used as LED light for the movement of the mouse pointer. Optical mouse used on LED light for the movement of mouse pointer. Okay, clear to this much? See here again. The device. What is input device? Input device means a data and instructions used by the or entered by the user in a computer is known as input device. It has 104 standard keys. See here, it has 4 parts, that is keyboard and mouse, microphone and scanner. Clear? We will see here, these are the 4 input devices. In this, that is keyboard has 104 standard keys. Mouse has 2 types of mouse, ball mouse and optical mouse. Clear? Now next topic, that is what? That is processing device. That is processing device. Here second is processing device. Second is processing device. See here, processing device. CPU is the only processing device. In processing device, we have only one thing, that is CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. That is Central Processing Unit. See here, it is the full form of CPU. Okay, the processing device has only one thing, that is CPU. It means Central Processing Unit. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is also known as the brain of a computer. Do you know who is the brain of a computer? CPU is the brain of a computer. CPU is the brain of a computer. It controls the input and output device attached to a computer. CPU controls the input and output device. CPU controls input and output device. CPU controls input and output device. Let's do this much, all of you. It controls the inputs and output devices. Here, it processes the given input input and provide the accurate output accordingly. Whenever we are giving any information, any data to the computer, it process in where? In CPU, and it gives us the accurate result. It gives us the accurate output according to our data and instructions. The CPU is made up of 3 parts. The CPU is made up of 3 parts. It is made up of 3 parts. Here, CPU has 3 parts. CPU has 3 parts. First one is control unit. First one is the A, that is CU. B, that is MU, and C is ALU. These 3 parts, the concept CPU has 3 parts, that is CU, MU, and ALU. The full form of CU is control unit. The full form of CU is control unit, and the full form of MU is memory unit, and the full form of LU is arithmetic logical unit. Arithmetic logical unit. See, arithmetic logical unit. Clear to this one? See here, control unit. This unit controls the functions of all the parts of a computer. CU used to control all the parts of a computer, and MU is used to store all the data and instructions temporarily or permanently. MU is used to store all the data and instructions whatever we are given temporarily or permanently. And the arithmetic logical unit, that is the full form of ALU. Okay? ALU does all the arithmetic calculations. It does all the arithmetic calculations like additions, multiplications, subtractions, divisions. All these calculations are done by the ALU. It also performs logical operations such as finding. It also helps us to find less than, greater than, equal to. All these numbers are done by the help of ALU. Okay, for today this much only. Next half part, that is output devices and scanners, I will explain you in the next period.